Yes, what's up, party people? So good morning everyone. So today we are going to one of the highlights tourists here in Tavas, which is Bulacan. So there's a small river.
Two-way.
Ang
Oy.
tour guide, gabot-buot, ambot.
Wala siya mong tour guide.
Ang tour guide, gagamit o GPS, di ka balog basta.
So look at the surroundings, so look at the nature, so green and sound.
Diba, green kayong palibot. Nag-green na po naman pananaw.
There's nangka there. Nangka.
Buot.
Wow.
Gamay na lang.
Ay, puti na cross.
Sige, gamay.
Yes, we are there. You have it. So look at the place here. Wow. Uy, look at the gulayan.
Nagkukaayo sila ko ang uy. Balik ta kay layo na kayo.